If you wake up at night with a racing heart and are anxious, if you have a lack of iron and a weakened immune system, if you have problems with high blood sugar, hypertension, and cardiovascular disease, or if you want to detoxify your skin and reduce your weight and body fat, don't look to any other food. We are not talking about an elixir that is sold at a high price. It's lemon water, and there is a huge list of benefits for you to decide to add this juice to your daily routine. Those who already know its benefits have been using it for centuries, but some lemon water advantages have recently become known about its benefits to our health, skin, and mental and physical condition. So whether your goal is weight loss, complete detoxification, or improved overall health, lemon water should be your daily priority for a healthy body, brain, and skin. In today's video, you will discover 11 incredible benefits of lemon water, why you should add it to your daily morning or night routine, and an easy but effective recipe to make it at home to get all its powerful benefits. Number 1. Cleanse and detoxify the body. Lemon water has a strong cleansing effect on the liver, enhancing enzyme functions. The liver is a central organ that helps the internal organs, the digestive system and the circulatory system. Therefore, it is crucial to take good care of your liver. Warm lemon water flushes toxins from the body and detoxifies the liver, one of the most critical organs in the body. Number 2. Strengthen immune system. Vitamin C and other antioxidants found in lemons boost the function of the immune system and help the body fight disease. The immune system is essential in keeping the body from catching colds and healing wounds and bruises. Always remember that fruits and vegetables are the best sources of vitamin C, and it is vital to get enough vitamin C during winter when the body is less active, and the flu is prevalent. You can also drink lemon water before traveling by plane or train, because a lot of exposure to bacteria puts our immune system at even greater risk. Number 3. Increased iron absorption. Iron deficiency is the most common nutrient deficiency worldwide and is particularly common in women. Iron helps make hemoglobin, the oxygen-carrying protein found in red blood cells. Iron deficiency is also the leading cause of anemia. This health issue can occur when the body does not have enough hemoglobin and healthy red blood cells to function correctly. Eating foods high in vitamin C will help the body absorb iron better. Number 4. Fight free radicals and cancer. The vitamin C and antioxidants in lemons help heal wounds, protect you from colds, and have a powerful long-term effect. Unfortunately, overconsumption of sugars puts our body at greater risk for the creation of cancer cells, but the nutrients found in lemons can help fight free radicals. In addition, they contain 22 cancer-fighting compounds and can reduce the risk of other serious diseases. Before we explore the next significant benefit, remember to subscribe to my channel and activate the notification bell to stay updated with my following helpful videos. Number 5. Diabetes and heart disease. All studies show that by eating a diet rich in fruits and vegetables, we have a reduced risk of obesity, diabetes, heart disease, and other diseases that come from unhealthy eating. Reducing processed foods and eating more nutrient-dense foods, like fruits and vegetables, will also help prevent heart problems. Lemons are so healthy that they are now listed as one of the 10 most nutritious foods on the planet. Remember that when we make any decision related to our health, the long-term effects are just as significant, no matter how distant they seem. Dangerous diseases such as diabetes and heart disease are one of the most fundamental reasons why we should consume lemon water regularly. Number 6. Enhance brain function. Lemons contain potassium, which is responsible for better brain function. By drinking lemon water, you will have better mental performance, less dizziness, and overall better mood and clarity. The benefits of potassium don't stop there. Potassium has been shown to reduce stress and increase muscle strength and metabolism, while also reducing the likelihood of heart and kidney disorders. Even drinking lemon water when you wake up will significantly boost your brain and body. Number 7. Better sleep, more energy, and proper digestion. While lemons are acidic because of their taste, they do not act acidic on our bodies. They have an alkaline effect on the body after eating them, which gives us better digestion and energy for the whole day. A properly alkalized body will help you sleep better and avoid catching colds. Plus, it will help you get fewer headaches, wake up with more energy, keep your skin looking young, and improve digestion. Lemon in water has the opposite effect of acidic foods such as soft drinks and sugar. These foods destroy our internal health and negatively alter the body's pH. Number 8. Faster weight loss and better hunger control. Lemons can help us lose weight in several ways. First, they contain pectin, which has been shown to help control and reduce hunger. Drinking lemon water in the morning is ideal, as it will prevent you from eating a big breakfast and reduce your total calories for the day. In addition, its positive effects on the digestive system will help the metabolism work more efficiently, making better use of our nutrients. When the feeling of hunger increases, drinking more water can improve digestion immediately. Therefore, losing weight and fat will become faster and easier. Number 9. Moisturize the body. Most people worldwide are in a constant state of dehydration because they don't drink enough water. A glass of lemon water will help significantly with the body's hydration needs, because it is 95% water and 5% lemon juice. Hot or cold, it's as simple as squeezing half a lemon into a glass of water, stirring, and drinking. This way, you can get your vitamin C intake, essential antioxidants, and a healthy drink for hydration. Water is vital for our body's health and proper functioning, and we should never neglect it. Number 10. Better skin and wrinkles removal. Lemons contain powerful antioxidants, and can help fight skin damage from the sun or other harmful pollutants. In addition, lemons contain a high concentration of vitamin C, which is the main ingredient in the formation of collagen in the body, that improves skin and overall health. Collagen plays a vital role in cohesion, elasticity, and skin regeneration. Drinking lemon water will keep our skin young and healthy, reducing and softening facial and body wrinkles. Number 11. Important pH alkalizer. Our body's balanced pH is necessary to maintain our overall health. Unfortunately, the typical Western diet contains a lot of refined sugars, hyper-processed foods, and chemical additives. All these foods contribute to the overproduction of acids in the blood, causing low pH levels and fostering an environment where many diseases can arise. Adding healthy alkaline foods to our diet can offset these harmful effects. In addition, this diet will help to balance our pH levels and maintain optimal health. Some research suggests that an alkaline diet is also beneficial for chronic pain relief, bone health, and disease protection. According to a crucial study published in the British Journal of Radiology, creating an alkaline environment in the body could enhance cancer treatment's effectiveness. As mentioned, although lemons are considered acidic, they have an alkalizing effect on the body. Lemon water can provide many health benefits as an alkalizer, helping to balance the body's pH and improve overall health. To make an easy and healthy lemon water juice, use 1/2 of a lemon for every 225 milliliters of water because this amount is ideal for maximizing the benefits of its consumption, without its taste becoming annoying. You can add grated ginger, cucumber slices, or mint, thus maximizing the drink's benefits. To make this drink preparation effortless, squeeze some lemons, put them in ice trays, and freeze them. Mix a few cubes in a glass of water to have fresh lemon juice ready anytime. You can enjoy lemon water at any temperature, but drinking it warm or at room temperature is best. You can drink 3 to 4 glasses of water with lemon ice daily to maximize the health benefits. However, it would be best to ask your doctor before drinking lemon water frequently, especially if you are taking prescription medications or have health problems. A thirst-quenching blend of lemon, mint, cucumber, and ginger is the perfect way to cool off on a hot summer's day. For this tasty recipe, you need 1 cucumber thinly sliced, 2 lemons juiced, 5 to 7 mint leaves, 3-inch piece of ginger freshly grated, 1 liter of sparkling water, and honey to taste. To make this tasty recipe, add the cucumber, lemon juice, mint leaves, and ginger to a large pitcher. Muddle the ingredients with a wooden spoon to break up the cucumber and release the flavors. Add the sparkling water and some honey, and stir to combine. Let the mixture sit for 10 minutes, and then strain it into individual glasses. Serve immediately with extra cucumber, mint, and lemon slices for garnish and enjoy. So, do you drink lemon water regularly to support your health? Please share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your opinion about lemon water and its incredible benefits. Lemon has endless health benefits for our bodies, whether your goal is weight loss, complete detoxification, or improved overall health, so lemon water should be your daily priority for a healthy body, brain, and skin. I wish you to be always well and have a beautiful day and new week.